everyone, I'm back again, and I just want to say something. I just want to say something over quickly. I've been asked to do a video. There'll be a fair few videos of a complete build from start right through, painting the whole works. There's a young bloke on Facebook. He wants a hand to see how to build trucks. He's wanting to build them. So I said, yeah, I'll help him. And this is the kit I will be doing. They're going to build through a 359 Black Magic kit. And I'm thinking I'll build this as well and put this at my local show for next year as well. I'll be painting it up black on the outside, but like me, it'll be done up inside in bright, nice colours. Okay, so you'll even get to see this build as well too, from start right through to the end of it. So that's another build I'll be doing, that one afterwards. I don't mind to help people out like that who are having problems to build. They want to see how to build, and I'll be doing it properly with him, not with him, but doing it on the thing as I do it, so you can see it. I'm going to get into this and get this done now. Let me get this one built. I'm going to get this one finished out of the way. That's where that chrome sits there. I'll run some glue into it in a sec. Got to get this door in as well. The door goes in. Hole there for it to go into. For it to hinge into. Oh yeah, that's going to be okay. I'll wait and see once I've got her up and going. She might be a bit crooked on me. Close. See how it goes, because that pin, the notch in there, what that goes into when that piece broke, might not be allowing it to glue in properly. But I'll work it out. I'll work it out like me. I'll get it fixed up. Some glue on here now. Get this fire truck done up out of the way. I started this way early in the year, and then once it got too cold, and then I stopped, and now it's warmer, a lot more warmer. So give me the chance to get these builds done out of the way for me. Some glue on there, so then when she goes on, she'll go on. Got a bit I've got to get into there as well too. Found a bit where she's going to. There we go, there's all glue on there. Stand my glue up so that she's... Right, okay. Now where's that hole? There. There's that hole there. I know it hasn't got the hinges or nothing on the door, so I don't put them on until absolute dead last. There's a tiny hole there, there's a tiny hole on there. I'm not going to put them on until absolutely dead last. Dead last. Make it easier to afterwards. Because if I was doing them on now, I could knock them off and break them, and I don't want to do that. I want to break them. Right. Make sure I put this the right way. Storing. Drop this door in there. And I can get this piece of chrome in over top of it. So I drop that there just for now. this stuck into where it has to go. Completely stuck. And I can lift the door up in and put the door into its place. Click! That's gone into where it should go. Now, doors fell right in. Oh! Doors fell out. Right, turn it over. Just might have to just loosen this off a little bit there, so I can get this door in. She just doesn't want to go in properly for me. Don't know why, but it should be. I've got to find that hole where this door goes into. There's the hole there. Just trying to get that into its hole. You know, no, the whole thing just popped off on me. I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it. I'll fix that door up afterwards. That door fell again. Just doesn't want to stay in this door. No. I just might have to glue this door in. I might have to just glue this door in. I think might be the best thing is to glue this one in, because it's just not going to stay in place where it should stay for me. Oh well, if I have to, I have to. I'll have the other side door open though. The other side door will open for me. This is the piece, this is the side that broke. I'll fix it up. It's all dropping off here for me. I'll get it. I'll get it right. Just doesn't want to glue down from here. I'll glue down in a sec. That's what I might do. I might move that door off and I'll glue it in. Be a shame, but I've got no choice. So I've had to. Oh, gee whiz, you coot. There's a piece sticking up there. Shouldn't be sticking up there. That's what's holding this down. Ah, bugger, 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 bugger. Where's my knife? I found a piece sticking up, holding the stuff down. That shouldn't be there. Should not be there. Gonna affect both sides for me. I've just got parts coming apart here on me. Bugger a thing, I'll get this fixed up. Now, that's not one for that side. This is it. Just going to hold that down for a bit so it glues. Hold that down. Sorry for this, but this one just wants to play up on me. Just doesn't want to go right for me. But when she does go right, she'll be right then. It's just been a bit of a torture. It just doesn't want to stick for me for some unknown reason. I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it. She's just starting to stick. Saying it's going to stick and it's not going to stick. Bugger. Just going to do something for a sec.